Hi guys, so this is a 14-part series. I'm doing a new tutorial. We're going to build an application in Laravel that's going to utilize the Strike Connect API. And the application is called Parker Charity. The premise of this is that users can sign up and they can add a bunch of charities, and then users can go on the app and either make recurring donations to the charities, or you can just do one-time payments to the charity. And so the purpose of the app is to demonstrate Stripe Connect, how you can use it to pay out vendors, take application fees, and basically build a system as a service app. We're going to also be utilizing Laravel Spark. If you do not know what Laravel Spark is, it is Taylor Otwell's project, one of Taylor Otwell's projects that lets you build system as a service apps relatively fast. So we're going to get started. I'm over in my Homestead window, and I'm just going to start by doing a Laravel new. Then we'll let the application start to run. Takes its time. Gotta love Composer. Anytime, any day now. There we go. Alright, so we're going to cd into a new application, and then we're going to do a Spark new or Spark install. And this is going to go through and pull down all the dependencies needed for a Spark application, which is basically the Laravel cashier components and some other stuff. So let the composer do its thing, and then after this is done, it's going to ask us some startup questions. Just let it run. Be some kind of spinning cursor or something to indicate what's going on, so you don't have to think it's broken. I think I might fix it, put a pull request. I'll be doing a whole series on Spark, so I'm going to kind of skip through the specifics of the installation in this video for brevity's sake. finish up any second now. All right. So, well, I didn't want it to do yes. I don't know what happened there. I wanted it to do no on the migrations. Say no, don't say yes for the database migrations. We're also going to go ahead and just say no for the dependencies right now. I don't know, but we'll say yeah. We'll go ahead and install since we are headed. I went ahead and installed everything. This is basically going to install the node dependencies, which are stuff like your jQuery and Bootstrap and Vue.js, all your front end stuff. Also, some of your Gulp modules. NPM, I'll also be doing a series on Node and NPM, so be on the lookout for that as well. The NPM dependencies take a while. I really should have made this more verbose. You can see what's going on. Don't think that it's hanging. I think it's because I'm running this in the VM. I don't know. Using Homestead, by the way, which I'll also be doing a video series on Homestead and why, if you're doing any kind of Laravel or Lumen development, you should definitely be using Homestead. It has all the tools, and if you can afford it, you should be using Laravel Forge to provision all your servers. It just makes sense, makes your life easier, and if you work for yourself, it's a tax write-off, so just do it. That's another series for another time. So we're just waiting for the node dependencies. And then it's going to ask us one more question, and that is, it asks if we're going to want to do a Gulp build. We'll go ahead and say yes for that as well. And I'll do that. Apologize, it's taking so long, guys. But as I was saying before, this is going to be a 14-part series. We're gonna do everything from setting up subscriptions to setting up the webhooks so that you can get real time alerts on what's going on your back end. To like I said, taking application fees from your users. To um, having hopefully, if I can get to it, which will be, I want to do some bonus videos that are extra beyond the 14 and do things like real time events with Node and some more visual stuff. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But I definitely going to do the first 14. And so we're going to start off. The next video is going to be about authentication scaffolding. And then we're going to do the charity logic, the back end, charity logic, the front end. Yep. And then we're going to talk about subscriptions, the back end and the front end, setting up customers, the back end and the front end, your settings menu, handling errors, that's the webhook part, and what your guests see, what the people who don't sign to application see on the front page, the user interface for selecting a charity and giving money, and that sort of things. So I'm real excited. I'm excited about it. It's my first video series. I greatly appreciate any criticism, any feedback, good or bad. It's something I want to get better at and I want to keep doing. I definitely believe that computer science is a very, very bright future. And it's a very underutilized, under-tapped resource. And I would love to see a lot more people, especially young people, getting into this field. I'd like to see a lot more appreneurs, app entrepreneurs. Software can change the world, should change the world, make your life better. So, I'm going to start a movement. We'll see how this goes. This project is cool. I appreciate you guys for watching, by the way. Oh man, I wish this thing would hurry up. Just gonna go check this recording time real quick. Perhaps next time I'll just go through and do it beforehand and do the video. But it's good for this first series for you guys just to see the process visually, and then from then on I can just reference it. Well, in the meantime, guys, let me show you the new website. The new website is up, JyroneParker.com. And you can see the projects, latest post. You guys should definitely check out my shop. I got some cool things going on. So, I got these Laravel t-shirts going right now, 15 a pop. Got an artisan in training. And then let's see, I also got I learned Laravel at JyroneParker.com shirts, also going for 15. And Never Let Limited Minds Limit Your Success shirt, it's also going for 15. Definitely get yours right now. They were on sale until until December 31st, 2014. But the offer's passed, but still a good deal, still a good shirt. You would be supporting a good cause. Should be done in a day now. Well, this is going on. I'm also going to show you the Homestead config file. So we're going to open up a new tab. Homestead edit. So first thing, I'm just going to copy this last one, this mapping. Change it to parkercharity.app and change this to Parker/charity. Change this to the path of your project on the homestead, and I'm going to call this database Parker Charity. As soon as this is finished, we're going to do a homestead provision. But while I'm still doing that, let me go to my Etsy host file. I need to add it, and this is so that I can go to my domain name that I put in the homestead and reference it without memorizing the IP addresses and ports and all that. So we can test that for the parkercharity.app. Well, obviously, clearly, I haven't a provision yet. I don't even know why I did that. Just got through saying that. Man, this is taking a while. See something. run go, yes. And this will do all of our browser minification and whatnot, make everything pretty. Should be done in a second. This one doesn't really take very long. Alright. So, before we do anything else, I'm going to exit out of here, do a homestead provision, so we can go to the web address and see what we've done so far. Got a lot of apps in case you can't tell. Alright, so now we've done that, so we can go to parkercherry.app. I gotta clear my what's going on? Let's see. Good old troubleshooting. Let's see, parkercherry.app. Did it? Look at the path right. Cherry. Yeah, that's right. Maybe it's a cache. Let me try Firefox. Yeah, okay. It says cache response. So we get this, get out of there. We get this welcome screen where, you know, this basically you get this landing page. You get some customer testimonials. You get features, placeholder image, logo, and all that good stuff. You got a login page. Who's this? Well, that is interesting. I wonder what that is. We'll have to troubleshoot that. Basically, this is the landing page you get. So I will post an update saying what these issues were. Someone's telling me it was definitely composer related. But look for the next video. We'll do application scaffolding or authentication scaffolding. Thank you for taking the time.